Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something your brain fakes, like a bad actor. The trick? You can force it to perform in under 2 minutes. Here's the thing. Most people think confidence is a personality trait. Like, some people just wake up confident, while the rest of us are stuck being awkward forever. Total lie. Confidence is a state, not a personality, and states can be hacked. Think of it like Wi-Fi. Sometimes the signal sucks, but it's always there. You just have to reconnect. First trick, borrow confidence from your body. Your brain takes cues from your posture more than your thoughts. If you slouch, avoid eye contact, and fold your arms, your brain whispers, "We are weak, stay small." But stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, and suddenly your brain goes, "Oh, we're leading the room." It's not fake, it's a feedback loop. Act powerful for 2 minutes and your chemistry shifts. Cortisol down, testosterone up. That's science, not self-help fluff. Second trick, flip your inner script. Most people walk into a room thinking, "I hope they like me." Wrong script. Confidence comes when you reframe it to, "Let's see if I like them." Instant perspective shift. You stop auditioning and suddenly you're the judge. Your brain buys into the story you tell it, so tell it the one where you're already in control. Third trick, kill overthinking with speed. Confidence dies in hesitation. The longer you wait, the louder your brain invents disaster scenarios. So use the 2-minute rule. If you feel the urge to speak up, introduce yourself, or share an idea, do it within 2 minutes, before your brain has time to sabotage you. It's like jumping into a pool. Think too long and you'll chicken out. Jump fast and suddenly you're swimming. Here's the takeaway. Confidence isn't magic, and it's not a permanent trait. It's a switch, a trick your brain plays on itself. And in just 2 minutes, you can flip that switch. Stand like you own the place. Change the script in your head. Act before fear catches up. Confidence isn't about waiting until you feel ready. It's about moving so fast, your doubt doesn't have time to argue. So next time your brain says, "You're not confident enough," smile, stand tall, and tell it, "Watch me."